Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check, please. Okay, do let me know is my sound and screen coming okay if you are joining me right now. Okay, by typing a one for me. Again, let me know also any stocks that probably you interested. Probably can study together, right? So again, a quick disclaimer: this section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Okay, so if you want to trade any stocks based on our discussion in this video here, make sure your own trading plan. All right. So if not, just to get advice from professionals. So you know that everything we do, first of all, must have trading plan, especially for short-term traders. I do have losses as well. So if you are following some of the trades, make sure you prepared. Okay, I think I shared in Telegram as well. Some of the stock I need to exit with losses. All right. Hello, Mio. I think Mio, you are the one that who attended our physical classes right the other day. The last week class, if not mistaken, right? So thank you for your support, Wong as well. Market Turby rates. Okay. Actually, I haven't really checked yet. Morning, I still a bit busy with something. Just got a little bit of time right now. Okay, so probably we study together. Yes, I do monitor a few counters. I think yesterday we talked about Binashra, KUB, I shared as well. So far it's red lah. Okay, so it's not very good overall. So luckily yesterday didn't FOMO to go into this Binashra lah. But still they got some opportunity one. Okay, just that probably not now. Okay, but again, let's start with some overall indices lah. Let's go into the indices. Okay, KRSC indices. We start with this one is KRSC. Okay, this one. Okay, here. Okay. So now let's look into the overall KRSC first. This is the KRCI chart. We look into weekly chart first. Okay, weekly chart still about the same. But if you ask me, I don't see any bearish market. Okay, of course we look into long term right now. But I do expect them to be tested around somewhere around this area. Potentially weekly chart they will retest close to 20 MA again. Okay, so some things that we might see. Okay, for probably 1 or 2 weeks from now. So if you look into this chart, weekly chart over here again since last year, I think the other day if you have attended our this member days, JK also mentioned actually somewhere around end of last year, if I'm not mistaken, towards the beginning of this year. This is actually a good sign of market reversal. Okay, which is until now, which is around May to June, month of June, market is very bullish. Okay, so we have some good months going into here. So definitely some pullback is happening right now. I think it's pretty normal. So again, if you no rush one, then it's okay lah. Just keep some cash with you. Okay, which is I'm also doing right now. Okay, some counters need to exit, we exit. Small losses is okay. Some counters I saw that okay, go profit boleh lah, and then we exit also partially. Okay, I exit partially. Some actually are still holding lah. Some for long term one like Tenaga, that one because Tenaga I already take some profit previously also lah. So some of them actually don't rush to still keeping it. Okay, now this is overall for the KRC market and their direction moving forward. Okay, so weekly chart. Sorry, this is daily chart now. Let me just close my support resistance so you can see better. Okay, well now it's testing around 40 MA. Okay, for me, still boleh lah. I don't see any major weaknesses coming in. Just that yeah, maybe it will retest again. The support area 1600. Okay. Of course, we do hope to see more supports coming in from here. Okay, so again, no rush to look for opportunity, to look for trades. Okay, but again, we want to build watch lists. Okay, starting from here. Okay, now do let me know any stocks you want me to check. Okay, you comment below because like I said today, same things. I got nothing much for you. I just want to do a quick so-called look into the market, any things that we can add into our so-called portfolio or not. Okay, so I think yeah, yesterday we do talk about like KUB, HB, but HB it goes up. I think hit R1 towards the closing. Right now, I think it cannot break that. And unique as well. Okay, so KUB, I think yesterday is quite nice. It kept up. Okay, with volume also, you can notice the support here is very strong. This is a bit similar Ocean Cash. Okay, so Ocean Cash also over here. Lots of good strength. Okay, lots of good strength over here. Okay, somewhere around here. This is a very nice support level. So notice here a nice gap up. Okay, a small shakeout happening and followed by lots of strength signal. Okay, market unfortunately is big right now, so that's why they cannot make a follow through. But I think this one is good to continue to watch out. I hope this small gaps over here it holds as well. Okay, once it hold, if you notice here, continue to be low volume. I think likely they got chance. Okay, I think likely they got chance. Okay, I cannot say it's 100%, but something that I think is interesting to watch out for. Okay, a bit similar and text the other day. Okay, and text I think we do share also in Telegram. Okay, so somewhere something around over here, high volume. Okay, pushing up. Okay, pullbacks hit 20 MA and subsequently yesterday it make a follow through. Okay, so hopefully the KUB also will be the same as well. Okay, so let's look into Binashra. Okay, but today I don't think I want to enter. Today we just look see. Volume is crucial today. Okay, let's say these two counters low volume. Maybe next we see how market getting slightly better. If let's say the support it give us a nice risk to reward, you think okay then probably I would try out as well. Okay, now this is Binashra. Binashra also same things. Okay, PSC we got a nice gap over here, holding well. Okay, this one didn't have much support. Sorry, much strength signal, but this is a good one. Okay, but Binashra is a bit tricky. If you notice the volume is a bit disharmony. Okay, so like I say in the pullback classes the other day, disharmony stocks sometimes it's not to say not good. Okay, but it's a little bit of pump and dump counters sometimes. Okay, so best is that you want to enter when the stock is in accumulation, when the stock is doing reaccumulation. Okay, so that you're safer. If let's say is the trend is going up already, then sometimes they dump also can happen anytime soon, right? So okay, again same things here today. Probably next week Monday, Tuesday. If let's say we test ball low volume. I think something that actually we can look out for. Actually, if you ask me, right, this is a good area also. This is a very good area because the price actually tested for DMA, pullback completed. Again, pullback completed from support. Okay, here low volume. Okay, and if you notice over here, I think here we can see some COC is happening. COC is happening. Okay, these three candle over here. Okay, overall they are in a low volume level. Okay, so if you remember COC, this is the one that actually you want to watch out for. Okay, so here potentially, I don't know, maybe got COC. Here definitely got a lot. Okay, notice here, I got some COC is happening into this area here. Okay, so this is the two chart that currently I'm looking into. HB, I think yesterday we spotted using the pullback signal. Okay, so but unfortunately closing is very close with this main resistance. So again, do remember, even though here we say it's a resistance, but sometimes let's say your resistance come with this kind of so-called the shadow, right? You must take this into your consideration as well. Okay, because this is the seller zone. Okay, resistance is not a price level, is a zone. Okay, it's an area. So this whole area here is a seller area. Okay, so for me it's a little bit close already. Okay, so maybe I'm not sure market continue remains to be weak. Next week it retests here again. Okay, low volume again, and we do see a COC again. Yep, maybe we probably want to refocus again, right? So again, this is some of the things that normally I do Again, money is limited. I don't have lots of money to enter every stock. Okay, so sometimes we'll be more patient to look for a setup that is suitable for us. Okay, now if you agree with me, type 1. Okay, if you agree with me, type 1. If you disagree, you type 2. Okay, if you disagree, type 2. Okay, now let's go into some of the stock you have for me. Like I said, today I don't have much. Okay, probably later we go into pullback alerts. Let's see we got any new counters to watch out or not. Okay, YTR power good to add at this level? Okay, but Tommy, if you ask me this question, I assuming you are looking into long term. Am I right or not? Short term trading right now, nothing is good right now. Okay, I will review for Icon. Okay, I review for Icon. Okay, now do let me know if you aiming for short term, long term as well. Okay, so that probably I can study in the right time frame. Okay, thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Wong. Okay, so definitely this is slightly a bit weakening. Okay, break support, something that I don't like. I thought here is the shakeout zone. Okay, so I thought here would be the shakeout zone, but normally the first shakeout is a very crucial one. Okay, you all know what is shakeout, right? Hopefully you all know lah. So normally the first shakeout, you also need to take consideration as well their support level. Okay, so let's say I think this is the current S1 which is today, they break slightly a bit already. I'm not sure what is the closing. Hey, hello Ruku, good morning. Okay, I'm not sure how's the closing later on, but I hope they push back up. Okay, if let's say push back up, I think still okay, over got chance. Okay, if let's say they break lower, something that probably I will temper avoid first for short-term tradings. Okay, another reason why, because here we got some gap lah. Here we got some gap. Looks like this gap also form resistance. So I'm afraid that maybe it will started to go lower already, or maybe make a deep pullback. Okay. Now, if you're looking into for long-term one, you want to hold for long-term one. Let's go to weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart touching the 20 MA already. Okay, again, a tricky area. Again, not ask you to buy and sell, but it's a tricky area for you to look for entry right now. Okay, first of all, it's already up for some time. A stock won't go up straight line 45 degrees all the way. Okay, definitely sometimes have a deep pullback. Okay, so what I do is that maybe if I were you, if I keen into this kind of counters, okay, I will wait for closing for today first lah. Definitely lah. Assuming you're looking for entry lah. If you entered already, then I'm sure you got your trading plan as well, right? So if let's say today it break 20 MA, okay, I'm going to be patient, wait until 40 MA. I'm going to be patient, wait until 40 MA already, which is around 4 ringgits. Okay, the reason why is because like that. Normally a stock, when they having a strong trend, okay, they don't like to break channel one, certain channel one. Okay, but when they break, the pullback is coming. Okay, so this is what I observe. Like, doesn't mean it's correct or the correct 100%, but this is what I observe. Okay, normally a stocks, they break certain trend line. Okay, which is I'm using 2040 right now. You can see all this while they're respecting 20 MA on the long term time frame, the weekly chart. So once they break, I think they'll go into 40. Okay, I think they'll go into 40. So this is the area that probably, if you are looking for long terms, okay, some things that probably you wanted to look into. Okay, again, my opinion only lah. But if you want to really do that, you want to add, because this is a long term content things that is good for you. Okay, to hold, okay, for subsequent maybe like 2 years down the road, 3 years down the road. Okay, probably something that I need to use FA already lah. So this is my FATA, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, the combination of both. All right. So of course, this calculation actually is by Mr. J.K. Kang lah. For those who attended the classes last Saturday, sorry, together with ECMO. I believe you know JK. Okay, so he is the one that actually developed this. Okay, we got combination of Bajkowski F score with so-called, this is the technical analysis. Okay, so of course technical wise, not so good right now. Okay, because it's break support, looks like going to downtrend. Okay, but FA wise, okay, looks still bullish lah. 6 out of 9. 6 out of 9 consider moderate into the bullish zone. So still consider okay, right? So if you're looking for midterms or maybe longer terms, okay, you want to hold for longer term, I think the fundamental ratio still good overall. Okay, hopefully I answered this question for YTL. Because again, I'm not sure, because there's two type of players for YTL power. I'm not sure you're looking for long term ke, short term ke, or you want to buy support, sell resistance ke. That one I don't know. Okay, so this is something that probably, hopefully you can take into considerations. Okay, so now let's get into icon, at least midterm lah. At least midterm okay, now midterm is a bit downtrending right now. Not to say downtrending lah, it's weakening lah. It's weakening. I haven't seen they touch the support yet. Defensive, okay. Defensive, then let's look into the closing for today first, because like I said, weekly touch 20, it dropped below 20 MA already right now, like at this moment. So that's why I feel that maybe they will still go lower a little bit. All right, so okay, now let's look into icon. Hey, icon is actually quite cantik. Icon quite cantik. Okay, I didn't realize that. Okay, if you ask me about similar like KUB, all this few counters here. Okay, so let's look into this. This is actually uptrending. Okay, pullback, high volume. Okay, pullback, high volume. Now, pullback, high volume got meanings, one, but it's a good volume. Okay, because you notice the stop break back. Okay, so here today challenge resistance yesterday challenge resistance. Okay, close resistance, risk to ratio, not so good. Okay, but if you already entered previously, I think the setup is still good. Okay, overall wise, the setup is still good, but can break or not, you don't ask me. Now market is bad. Okay, now market is bad. I don't know whether it can break the NTEX or not. Okay, but again, like I think the other day, one of the user in Telegram also mentioned, I think I can't agree. Sometimes, in bear markets like that, we got 1,000 stocks in KRSC. Sometimes it's only the 5% stock jalan or break resistance. And we cannot get that, okay, all the time, right? So don't expect them to break, okay, in this kind of condition. But what can I say is that this setup here is still good. If you yet to enter, okay, I think I will continue to monitor maybe the S1 zone, okay, somewhere around here. I'm not sure whether it will we test here 1.1 or not. Okay, it's a good area for me to probably look into. Okay, I think I'll seem like KUB all this. So here got one pullback completes. Okay, this candle here. Okay, but of course, if you want to use here as your support, I think very far away already. Okay, enter here to here, I think 20% losses. So make sure you calculate your risk as well. Don't simply enter. Okay, so this is icon. Okay, any counters you want me to look into? PCAM, right? So okay. Okay, now today monitor narrow spread bar low volume. Today monitor narrow spread bar low volume. Okay, now this one, Tan, I think you have to tell me also looking for long term or short term. But I believe normally people look into this counter is for long term, right or not? I might be wrong. Let me know. Okay, trend is bad. Okay, trend is bad. Okay, so okay, here we got some high volume, but looks like high volume to support. Okay, crucial support today. Okay, same like long term. Okay, long term. Okay, this one a bit same like but YTR at least in uptrend but I believe they will do a deep pullback. But this one macam going into downtrend already lah. Yeah lah, change of trend already for this one. Okay. Now, technical wise, chart wise, weekly chart. This week looks like they break the main support, which is something that I think they'll still go lower. Okay, they'll still go lower. Okay. I'm not sure your long term is how long lah. Okay, if you want to find the next support, technically I don't like this kind of chart. Okay, technically I don't like this kind of chart. Okay, so but if you want to, if let's say to this week break, okay, next support is 5.52, something that probably you can take into considerations. 5.52. Okay, this level here. Okay, so for me, normally if I trade, because I combine sometimes FA and technical a bit. Of course, I use weekly chart. Okay, so what I do is that I like to see this kind of reversal. Okay, we test successfully above 2040s. Okay, pull back. Okay, so normally I will enter this kind of range. So for example, over here, right here looks like they want to do reversal, but you notice the 2040 double hold. Normally I like to see first up, then first pull back. Okay, so for example here, okay, here goes up, pull back. Okay, so here want to reverse but tak jadi lah, feel. If you want to check, you can check. I think Jatiasa daily chart. Actually, I'm also waiting for them to go up, pull back. Then maybe got continuation. Okay, but here so far, a bit risky for me. But I again, I'm not sure. Okay, probably some of you like to hold like 2-3 years down the road one. Then okay. So okay, now let's look into the FATA also because long term, right? So let's into the analyzer over here. 4 out of 9. Okay, now technical no need to see lah. Technical definitely is out already. Okay, negative lah. Okay, no need to see at all lah. Technical is out already. So for FA wise, okay, 4 out of 9. It's not super good, but okay lah. Still bullet lah. Still bullet. Okay, now that's my opinion lah. But again, I say for technical wise, it's not that great. Okay, technical wise, not that great. Okay. Now, any stock you want me to look into, let me know. P Energy. If not, just go into my pullback, so-called pullback list. Let's see if we can find anything interesting or not today. Okay, if not, we're just gonna wait for next week. Okay, now this one also doing some reaccumulation, some high volume over here. Okay, welcome Tan. Some high volume over here. Some boring movement. So weekly chart touching 20 already. So maybe will form a support. Okay, but again, careful. Break is the time for you to chop first. Okay, because like I said, whenever trend goes up, strong trend goes up, they don't like to break certain so-called trend line or channel. So once they break, probably they'll go deeper a little bit. Okay, they'll go deeper a little bit. So weekly chart closing to 28 I think is good. So probably you want to use that as your support level. All right. So okay, if let's say there's no other question, I go to my trade signal. Anything that is changing. Hey, Sendai coming. Oh, okay, Sendai, Yuli. This one a bit so-called going top. I don't like that. So Ecomat also I think a bit illiquid overall. Okay, now Sendai I think I like it. Okay, let's see how Sendai is doing. Okay, got a little bit of volume. This one actually I like it, but still takut to muscle right now. Market is not that great. But at least this one is still far away from main resistance. So just now, I think some of you asked me about the first counter is what counters are. Icon, sorry, icon. Icon is very close to resistance. Okay, so sometimes you enter the further do a wash. Like for example, the other day, I think XIFU lah, right? Actually, it's nice. Okay, but just that it's too close with main resistance. So sometimes this kind of market, right, they wash you down, then it goes up again. Okay, probably sometimes this kind of process will take 2-3 weeks or maybe 1-2 months depending on market situation. But at least Sendai, okay, if you notice over here, this is for me the main resistance zone here. Okay, on top here, of course, they need to break this R1 first, okay, to go into the next one. Okay, but at least for me, this is worth to risk a bit compared to the rest, which is very close to resistance. Okay, so here's small gap, okay, crossing the 2040 MA very nicely with increasing volume. So yes, S1 exactly right now is the main support. Okay, again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Personally, I'm not entering this week today. Okay, but something that I think is good to add into the watch list again. Okay, so actually watch list. Sorry, sometimes my watch list. Just that this few day market is so boring. I don't really focus other counters. I only focus on my own counters at the moment. Okay, hello Ahmad, good morning. Okay, any other stocks that is interesting? Signature. Okay, never mind. This kind of chart setup, I'm not that interested at the moment. Okay, it must also keep. Wow, this one keep going up. UOB buy call, HLB, HL. Wow, 4 ringgit. HLB 4 ringgit. Okay. Okay, see whether you believe or not, but still going up. Okay, still going up. No sign of weaknesses at the moment. Okay, probably last one, KSL Lagina. Okay, KSL is also monitoring. Support is very good. Okay, KSL support is very good. Okay, let's see how it goes for today. Drop already. Okay, so this one, okay, now this one is the so-called the pullback signal. Pullback signal. Okay, we got a gaps over here. Okay, I zoom in. Okay, exactly at S1. Exactly currently at S1. So today, again, a crucial level to monitor for KSL. So, okay, over here, we got a gaps. Okay, do you remember I said that the strength signal, okay, the pullback signal, can use as a support. Okay, anything below, you temporary avoid first or you monitor because sometimes shakeout happening into this area. All right, so today, I'm not sure. Hopefully, we can see a hammer. Okay, if hammer, I will continue to monitor, but I haven't entered yet. Again, this week, takut. Right, takut to enter lots of stocks. Okay, but if let's say today, from a hammer, pushing it back, or maybe next week, like this kind of shakeout, okay, it maybe drop, goes back up. Okay, this is chanted already. Okay, this is chanted already. Okay, so like I say, market, I think we have a lot of shakeout moving forward. Okay, so let's look into Lagenda. Tropicana, oh yeah, let's look into Tropicana. I posted this morning, but looks like it failed to hold. Okay, so okay, now Lagenda, careful gaps, gaps area careful But if let's say this one provide you a good range to trade, okay I don't mind Okay, now but anyway, this is a gaps that you need to respect. This is a so-called selling gap. Okay, I think previously like MYEG, even AAsia X also got, okay, if not mistaken. So every time hit this level, they drop one. Genting few years already still cannot cross the gaps. MREG also take 1 year plus to cross the gaps. Okay, so this kind of gap is stubborn one. Okay, so make sure you watch out. Okay, but anyway, if I focus short term into this area over here, this is a nice healthy pullback. Okay, this is a nice healthy pullback. Okay, now previously here is a breakout candle. Okay, again we got strength setups over here. Okay, so maybe I'm not sure. Oh, today is Apollo. Okay, maybe it will drop here. Okay, touch 20 MA. Okay, then it's a area worth to pay attention. Okay, again calculate lah from here to here. Your reward is good or not. Okay, your reward, let's say okay, I think it's good. Okay, here take some partial profit because it's very close with the so-called the main resistance, which is the gap. Okay, but anyway, I think the pullback today is healthy. Okay, something that is worth to look into lah. Okay, if let's say you aiming for some short term. Okay, all right. So probably last one. Okay, let's go into efficient. I didn't monitor for some times already. Okay, this one drop. Okay, now this one I think stubborn resistance as well. Okay. Potentially, I think they will do a shakeout. Okay, welcome Tommy. Okay, now this is right exactly at S1 right now. Okay, not sure whether time you're looking for entry exit. Okay, trend wise good. Yeah, uptrend, tested several times above the previous resistance. What I mean is here, previous resistance, of course here as well, but this is a false breakout. Tested. Okay, so far so good. Trend wise, okay, but I believe they will do a shakeout. Okay, so what it means is that, okay, here, right, example here, right, so here also previously here is like a good support level. Okay, whenever you got false breakout, or shooting star high volume like this kind of candle, okay, it will have like a shakeout one. So sometimes like this one, you drop, push back up. Okay, drop, push back up. Okay, so what I think probably this will happen, because here also I do see the seller is still here. Even though the volume is decreasing already on down bar, hopefully you can see that, but the volume is still quite high for me. Okay, the volume is still quite high for me, which is I think that maybe they need to do a round of shakeout before they try to push again. Now it's a weak market; it's a good time for them to do that. Okay, the other day I think there's one counters also. Also doing shakeout. Not this. Okay, not this but maybe same things probably will happen. CHB also worth to watch out. Okay, CHB also. Okay, here nice break. Okay, but this one too climatic. Sometimes too climatic, it will make a full pullback. Okay, here hammer I thought it would hold, but it didn't drop. Okay, but if you notice, this drop come with low volume. Okay, so what I do, I park my hammer. I park my alerts. Okay, I park my alerts near to the hammer. Okay, so when the price crossing back, okay, I know the shakeout is completed. So I know the operator or smart money are still keen. That's why they push back up. If let's say they're not keen, they will sell one. Okay, so that's why sometimes I put my alerts above the previous support. So whenever they come, hopefully with higher volume, then you know that okay, someone is still there. So I think CHB is both to look into. Even HG Group also. I think HG Group also the other day it failed to hold at the pullback candle. It's a bit disappointing. But I still watching around this level over here. Okay, I still watching around this level over here. Okay, last one before we close. Nova MFC. Let's try. Yeah, okay. This one a bit tricky. This is for Mary. Okay. So okay, now we got two high volume candle. Sometimes this kind of chart, you're not sure who is in control. Now I'm a bit lazy trader. Sometimes the chart a bit confusing one. I will avoid. Okay, I look for something that is more clear for me. Okay, but okay now, Resistance definitely is strong already, in my opinion. This is a widespread down but high volume, something I don't like it. Okay, but at the same time, yes, we have this candle here. Okay, high volume, up bar, narrow spread. Okay, so normally if let's say this happened at the bottom, this is what we call back holding. Okay, which means it's a strength candle. Okay, operator step in to stop the downtrend movement. All right. So if the candles, okay, or if the price still above this so-called narrow spread bar here, okay, I think still worthwhile to look into. Okay, still worthwhile to look into. This is your main support. If let's say, but if let's say break this candle already, okay, not good already. But you have to accept that here is a strong resistance. This so-called R1 level is a strong resistance. So sometimes it hit, drop, hit, drop, then only it can break. Test the few round. Okay, test the few round. Okay, so I think with this, we will close our section here today. So again, nothing much for today. Only we want to continue to build up our this washes over here. No need to rush. Okay, we still probably will look for next week if let's say got any nice opportunity. Right. With this, thank you very much. If you like my daily section over here, don't forget to help me to click the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. We do have Telegram. If you want to join our Telegram, we will have more discussion in the Telegram. All right. So with this, thank you. I'll see you again next week.